Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new Opel Frontera, a crossover. Here we have the version with 5 seats. You can also go for the 7-seater as well. Expressive look on the front, the new Opel visor, Opel Blitz, and then the Intelli LED lights with the lovely lighting signature. I will unlock the car once again so you see the beautiful shape here. 17-inch wheels on the model in our video. It's got the GS trim. There are two trims, Edition or GS. 4 meters, 38.5 centimeters is the length of the car. Here is the look at the car from the rear. I will lock it and then unlock it so that you can see the LED taillights. And I love the fact that the lighting signature is similar to the one on the front. Wide opening for the tailgate, and here we are greeted with loads of room. You have the dual floor, 460 liters up to 1,600 liters. So loads of room in here. We are now ready to go on a drive. Here is the layout with the dual screens, the Intelli seats. They're so comfortable, and also I quite like the pattern on those. But now let's see this from driver's perspective. All right, then here is your view as a driver. I have the key here. It is the physical one. You do need to insert it in here in order to start the car. So that is what I'm gonna do now. Put on my seatbelt and we are ready for the driving. Put it to drive and off we go. Take a look and hear this. So let's start with the specs of the model in our video. It is the 48-volt hybrid 145. So it combines the 1.2-liter turbo petrol unit developed specifically for hybrid, then electric motor, 0.89 kilowatt-hour battery, electrified dual clutch transmission. So electric motor mounted to the electrified dual clutch transmission, and yeah, the result is very nice and smooth drive. 145 horsepower, 230 newton meters of torque. Now you hear the petrol engine kicking in. And speaking about engines, you can also go for the 48-volt hybrid 110 version. And then there are also 2 electric versions available as well. So those are the options, and I want to hear your thoughts. Which powertrain would you take? And in this video I'm going to show you how nice and smooth the drive is with this hybrid 145. You will see that many times we will drive with electric power, like we are doing now, for example. And soon we will depart this garage. It's pretty huge, right? So many floors, but now we will see the exit. Need to watch for the wheels. We are good. So the layout in front of us, 10-inch digital cockpit and the 10-inch main touchscreen. Now the base model, the Edition trim, would get you the phone holder. So you don't have the screen, you have the holder for your phone. And then again, GS line, GS trim gets you this lovely dual screen layout. You can also change between various things here on the digital cockpit. So driver assistant, press this. Now you can adjust various systems. And then also user settings can be adjusted as well. So language units, gauges, brightness. And speaking about gauges. You can have either this power eco charge, or you can have the temperature here on the right, but I will have the power. And we have the map view. There we go. So navigation, lovely view on the map. The AC is on switches. So I think you will agree with me, this is the easiest way to do it. Change the temperature on this switch and then adjust the air blower and the settings on the other ones. The model in our video also has the heated seats and the heated steering wheel. One thing that I would love to have in this car are the ambient lights. I think they would give this dashboard even better look during the night. Unfortunately, we don't have the ambient lights, so yeah. And you may have heard the beeping sound earlier. That was for the speed warning. As soon as you go just a little over the speed limit, it will beep. It's mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. But here, press this button, and now it's turned off. So it's easy to turn it off. And these seats are so good, very comfortable. You can change the views on the digital cockpit by pressing the button here. I will keep this view, I quite like it. With the view of the car, you can see the hybrid system. And we have the blind spot assist as well. Of course, when you push the throttle, you can also notice then, of course, the petrol unit kicking in, and also it's got quite nice pronounced sound in my opinion. And then if you are easy on throttle, and in many scenarios here in the city it will be just electric power as we are now. But for example now, yeah, I really love the sound. Now that we are stationary, let me show you also here the central console with the minimalistic gear selector, electronic parking brake, the cup holders, wireless charging pad. Speaking about wireless, you also have the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can change the volume here, but also on the sides. And the infotainment system is really easy to use and operate. And for more details about that, you can watch my full review during the day. buttons here would suit this dashboard so well, and also here on the right. When you release the throttle, you have the recuperation of energy. So I will show you now, not here, I will show you on this more flat section. Alright, so now I will release the throttle, but I will not touch the brake. And you see the car is slowing down. It will not go to a complete stop, but you saw it slowing down. Alright guys, so that was it, the night drive with the new Opel Frontera. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye bye!